Alright, I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. Want to duel me, be in a video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Do it!
Cool.
That's never synchronized.
Okay. Sweet. All right. I will take the first move.
Reckless fire. It's been how many years
Um,
since we've dueled?
maybe just one. Okay, so what I would do so far is I would just set one card and I will end my turn.
I knew it. I knew it. Oh,
Actually,
yo, that's a
I'm just gonna
mirror
play this
force.
card.
If you got it,
Yeah.
you gotta play it. Pot of Extravagance, Banish 6.
And I'm gonna play my face down card, which is Mind Crush.
Clear one
I'm going to
card.
clear a card name. And if you have it, you have to get rid of it.
Oh my god,
And
cards.
I am going to declare Ash Blossom Joy Spring. Oh no, you don't have it.
What?
Yikes.
Declare if that card is in your opponent's hand. Guess what? I just drew it from that.
Wow.
Yeah, I kind of drew that one.
Yikes.
Yeah, you know what? Normal summon Solitaire. Effect. I will tribute himself. Special summon a. What was that again? Zombie tuner with 0 defense from the deck, which is Unizombie. Effect increased level by 1 to send a zombie from deck to grave, which is Necroworld Banshee. And I'll activate her effect, banish to get Zombie World. So once per turn? No, once per chain. Okay. You know what you should play instead of Mind Crush? Prohibition.
Ooh,
Yeah.
got a renegade card.
Oh, I could attack here. Yeah, I'm attacking. Unizombie. Direct attack. Then I'll activate Vampire Frolin. Turn Endo.
Okay, it's my turn. I'm gonna draw and activate. Actually, I'm gonna edit that effect instead. I will. Let me see what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna normal summon Neospace Pathfinder. And I'm gonna end my turn.
Why wasn't I able to do that on Enphase?
I'm not sure. I'm only doing end my turn because I am fully aware of the effect of Vampire Frontline, and that's not gonna happen, sir.
Why wasn't I able to do that? That's okay. If I do that and I do that, I can't do that, so... In a zombie, I'll increase itself by 1 level, so I could send a zombie from deck to graveyard, and that will be Glow Up Bloom. And since Glow Up Bloom hit the grave, I could activate its trigger effect, and I'll choose Doom King. But then since I have Zombie World, I could just special summon Doom King. What do you have in there? Nothing. Discard 1 card. Oh man. Activate Unizombie. Increase itself by 1 level, and I'll discard Cosmic Cyclone. What? Why didn't Doom King's effect work? Did I not click it? What the? I have no idea what that. Almost on a new zombie.
Another one.
Yep. Switch to attack. Battle. Doom King. Attack Neo Space Pathfinder. Activate Vampire Frontline. I will pay 3,000. And that monster gains 3,000.
Yikes.
Is that almost game? Unizombie.
Unizombie.
Oh wow. Oh wait, yeah, that is game because
Yeah.
Frontline can attack Vampire Frontline. Finish it.
Nice.
Frontline with that attack boost. Ooh,
yeah.
jeez. Plus 3,000. I'm good. I'm not even gonna side.
I'll let you go first this time.
Alright. Round 2. Full combo right here. Normal summon Uni. Activate the second effect, target himself to increase itself by 1 level, and I will dump Necroworld Banshee. Activate Necroworld Banshee. I'll banish to get Zombie World. I'll activate Unizombie increase itself by 1 level. And I will discard Glow Up Bloom. And when Glow Up Bloom hits the grave, I could activate its effect. I'll pick Doom King. Since there's a zombie world, I could special summon Doom King. And 2 zombie monsters. Vampire Sucker. Set 2 and Fernando. Standby phase, since there's a
I'm
field
gonna do
card,
first.
I can special summon Doom King from the grave. In defense, and when a zombie monster is special summoned from either graveyards, Vampire Sucker's effect, I'll draw a card.
Alright, I will play Emergency Call. Add a hero, amateur monster from my deck to hand.
Alright, oh, Neos.
Next, I will play Neil Pearson Aqua Dolphin. I will activate his effect to
You can
discard a
discard one
monster.
card, look at your
What card, I
opponent's
mean.
hand, and choose one monster.
I can look at my opponent's hand. Yeah.
If you
Let's
control a
see what's gonna
monster,
happen next.
destroy their chosen card. So if it's a 600
Yeah.
or
So
higher,
if a card in your hand has lower attack points, if it's higher than 600, I'll take the damage. If it's lower, you'll take the damage.
sure.
I will take that damage, unfortunately. But it's fine because I will play Monster Reborn to bring back a monster, and I will bring back Elemental Hero Neos.
Okay.
Then I will contact Fuse, Neos, and
Aqua Dolphin.
Aqua Dolphin. I forgot his name for a moment to bring out Aqua Neos. Thank you.
Aqua Neos. What does this guy do again?
Okay, so if I discard one card, one random card in your hand will be destroyed. Will be discarded.
Destroy one random card.
Yeah, you discard one random card.
Alright.
Activate.
Your Aqua Neos is considered a zombie because of Zombie World, and I'll once per chain Doom King.
Oh, you're right.
I will just negate that.
Alright. I will enter my battle phase. And I will attack Vampire Sucker using the effect of my Honest Amateur Honest Neos. Once to gain 2,500 attack points.
I will chain that
He'd be at
with
5,000.
Super Poly. I'll
Ooh, nice.
discard Jacko Bolin. Drago Necro Nether Soul. And Yugo Shoken. 2 zombie monsters. Your Aquaneos is a zombie now.
Yeah, due to the effect of Zombie World.
That is correct. I should have did Doom King. Why did I do I should have did Doom King because Doom King would have just came back. Why did I use Vampire Sucker? What?
I don't know.
Battle. Doom King, direct attack. Nether Soul, direct attack. Main phase 2. Normal Ash, and then I'll link off for Vampire Sucker, Ash, and Doom King. I really don't know why I picked Vampire Sucker. Turn in though.
Okay, my turn. I draw.
Stamina phase, Doom King, since there's a field spell. Special summon in defense. Vampire Sucker, if a zombie is special summoned from the grave. Either player's grave, I get to draw a card.
Alright, well, I'm going to normal summon. Neospace Connector. Activate his effect.
I'll once per chain. Doom King. I will what? When discard those. Negate.
Oh no. I end turn.
There's an Earthbound Immortal FTK deck now? What the all these FTK decks are emerging out of nowhere.
Earthbound Immortal is actually a pretty cool deck to use, and I kind of enjoy them so much. Like to see their play.
Vampire Sucker. I will revive back your Neos there. Honest Neos.
Nani?
So I'll get to draw a card, and then I will once per chain Doom King. Just gonna banish your Honest Neos. Switch to attack. Battle. Nether Soul. Attack. Neo
that is
Space
GG.
Connector. Oh, that's game
GG,
then.
dude.
GG.
Yep.
Thank you, Reckless Fire, for the
No
duel.
problem.
And
Anytime.
nice. And sub if you liked it. Like if you subbed it. See you guys.